Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to create this beautiful text effect. So first, I'll just create my text. Increase the size and set the font to your preferred font. I'll be using Obelix Pro. Next, I'll just add padding on both sides so the edges don't cut out. Now set the color to purple. Go to 3D text and enable it. Set the darken value to 65%. Set the X rotation to 13 and the Y rotation to -7. Next, enable shadow, set the offset X to 9 and the offset Y to 15. Set the color of the shadow to #895,412. And yeah, the color for the purple is #3D1B8C. Now, go to inner shadow. Set the color of the inner shadow to white and then reduce the blur radius to 1. Go to stroke. Set the color of the stroke to purple and then set the stroke width to 12. Copy the text and let's do the second part. Go to shadow and change the color to black for this text. Go to stroke and disable it. Go to the text color and change it to a gradient. You can copy the color code from the screen. Now just drop the size of this text by 2. Center both texts. Let's just increase the stroke of the text behind. Center the text. Just increase the front text size back to 180. Center both texts again. Alright guys, you can save your work. The link to the PLP file for this text effect is in the description. Save both text styles so you can use it later. The text is fully editable. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please, if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.